Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you about some natural moisturizers in your kitchen. Let's get started. Castor Oil. Castor oil is an amazing moisturizer. It has a high concentration of fatty acids, enabling it to quickly absorb into the skin. It's an effective lubricant for dry patches and hydrates the skin from the inside out because linoleic acid creates a barrier that prevents skin from losing moisture. Massage a few drops onto dry skin every night. Coconut Oil. Coconut oil is naturally full of collagen-supporting lauric acid and is easily absorbed deep into the skin for great moisturizing without leaving you feeling greasy. Its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties also make it a great anti-ager. Find organic, unrefined, raw coconut oil, liquefy it between your hands and rub onto your skin. Avocados. When applied to dry skin, avocados help lubricate every layer of your dermis. Their high levels of fats and vitamins like A, D, and E help skin retain moisture and work as anti-agers. Eat a ripe avocado and then rub the inner side of the peel lightly on your face. Let the avocado residue sit for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.